She was strong, she had it all. Till one day she took that fall. Little pills to kill the pain. Nothing ever felt the same. Days got numb, nights got long. What felt right kept going wrong. What was strange became her norm. Hey, hey, hey. She was drifting in the storm. Every morning felt the same. Chasing something she can't name. Mirror didn't look like her. Just a shadow, just a blur. She was tired, worn and weak at the end of everything. In the water, in the light, she let go that Sunday night. Came up clean, came up new, left it all in rivers blue. In the water, in the grace, she found hope she couldn't fake. Got a new name, a new start, and a healing heart. Fights and pain inside those walls, and her father's voice was gone. Standing there with nothing left, just her broken breath. And her door was open wide. Come sit down, just come inside. Coffee craze, a place to stay. Help was on the way, day by day. She found her seat, heard her voice say, "You're still free. You don't have to live that way, you can be made new." In the water, in the light, she let go at Sunday night. Now she's strong, now she stands, helping others take her hand. In the water she was changed, now her life won't look the same. Body, mind and soul restored, she's alive once more. Yeah, a new name, a new style.